Layla is boarding here, aren't you, Layla? Are you boarding here? Are you having a good time? Are you meeting new friends? Are you enjoying your little house? Are you enjoying all of us? She's very talkative. You can see expressive eyes, and she's just wondering what I'm talking about, and she's wondering why I keep talking. And what's going to happen? Dogs anticipate what's next. It's important for them to know what's going to happen next. So next I'm going to show you that while she was here, we noticed that she had a sore paw. And I want to show you that. See? Look at how the nail is kind of discolored, and there's swelling and redness right around the nail bed. If you look real close there, you can tell when I squeeze. See the pus coming out? So definitely that paw needs to be cleaned out, and we need to use antibiotics because there's a little pus pocket that's forming as dirt gets between the nail and the skin, deep in that little recess. Bacteria can grow and they spread to the surrounding skin, and they cause a nail bed infection, and that's called paronychia. So let's wash it up. This was your dog, and you were at home, and you said, oh my gosh, my dog's nail bed is a little bit swollen. What would you do? Well, you might get a bowl with some warm water and some Dawn detergent, or if you had soap, you could use a medical soap, a disinfectant soap. We use chlorhexidine a lot. It's blue, and then we use chlorhexidine soap, which is also a different color of blue. What you do is you wash up best you can around that nail bed. So you kind of want to get the dirt that's underneath that nail. I know, sweetheart. Out of there. You might use a dilute iodine solution and soak that foot for about 10 minutes. And then that way it's starting to kill all the bacteria that are in and around that nail bed. So 10 minutes. We'll be filming this, so it's a good time to go to the bathroom or get something to eat. Not really. If you soak the foot 3 times a day, that might by itself help get rid of the infection. When people come to the veterinarian, which is me, I will often use antibiotics. And also that area, this area could be, once they get a nail bed infection, it could spread to the bone inside and could be a bone infection or even a tumor, because boxers are very prone to tumors of everything. Did you know that, Layla? You're a tumor producer. Anyway, well, that's the story on nail bed infections. So what you do at home is you'd soak the foot in iodine 3 times a day, and you'd put neosporin around the nail bed. And also you'd have your veterinarian check it out. He or she would administer antibiotics for a course of 14 days. Sometimes we bandage the foot, sometimes we don't. And we might even need an x-ray or a slide to make sure that it's not anything worse than just an infection. Have a great day.
Nail bed infections happen routinely in dogs. Seems like the dogs with longer nails can often get more stress on the junction between the nail and the skin and get inflamed, and then secondarily will get infected. Other times you can get a little sliver or a piece of a plant up in there and cause an infection. Nail bed infections can also be mistaken when actually they can be tumors. Mast cell tumors can look ugly and red like that, so you should always, if it looks really red and ugly and it grows fast, you should get your vet to check it out. But like I said, you can soak the foot in betadine, not iodine. It's betadine solution, and it's just a few percentage. You color the water brown. You put the foot in there 3 times a day. You can also then use peroxide, possibly some neosporin, and that might even help get rid of the infection. But you got to keep soaking it for a period of probably a week. Maybe that the nails need to be trimmed up, and also a course of antibiotics are in order. Especially if there's a big swelling and it's been there for a long time, it can be a bone infection or a bone cancer or a tumor of the skin. Anyway, I just thought that's another syndrome, another thing we see every day. Keep those nails short. If you see pinkness, redness, or oozing around that nail bed, soak it and put some neosporin. If it looks really ugly or if it gets big, get it checked out. Check out Dog Dish Diet. It's a way to feed your dogs and cats healthier ingredients. Make sure and feed your dog fish and eggs and organ meat. They're all good for it. Have a great day.